Google search ads for local mechanic shop with the help of ChatGPT. Phone didn't stop buzzing. Okay, that's really good. Okay, so this is your start. You got 90 clicks in 7 days, 1.22 euro. So 1110 euro cost. 12 conversions, 13% conversion rate. That's really good. Hi, I run a small car repair shop with 2 to 3 mechanics and made the Google Ads completely by myself over the weekend in my home office with the help of ChatGPT. Optimized keywords on my website for SEO and organic traffic in consideration of the keywords I used in my campaign. Okay, so I wanted to add on that I had a little discussion with this person before sharing it, so I am going to share that as well. Okay, I wanted to add on. I'm not adding the complete conversation, but the only important part was when I was, having a discussion. So he said that, but it does the job for us by bringing in calls. A marketing company charged us 500 euros monthly for a much worse version than this, and 99% wrong calls. Okay, so I think that you made a right decision over here with running a chat GPT ad by doing it on, and AI has actually made a lot things easier. But where AI doesn't help you is you get stuck with the Google Ads policy violation. Uh, your ads get disapproved or your account gets suspended, which are some common suspensions. People see your account get suspended. Okay, these are the time when AI doesn't help. So apart from this, fraud click, AI can't stop fraud click, so you need a Google Ads partner like us. Competitor analysis, I think another part over here is competitor analysis, like what your competitors are doing, how they are fluctuating, how we can cope up with them. I can't tell it, but there are some tools which supports AI and which do it. So you need other tools as well, and collectively hiring an agency can reduce your cost on these things, because if you yourself buy, they may be expenses. And then tracking and analytics of user behavior is another thing. Also, if the campaigns are not properly optimized, like maintaining search terms, the quality score can get down, which eventually will increase your CPC cost. CPC cost. So I think that these are the things where I doesn't right now not helping. But yes, if all in all, if you are able to do it, yes, you can be do, and most of the people should be fine with it. But if you like it and if you need a professional help, you are more than welcome to hire us. As a Google partner company, we will love to help you. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. I hope I was able to answer, and good luck with your mechanic shop with the chat GPT you did. Good luck and best wishes. I have best wishes for you. Good luck.